Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the honourable member for the question. Madam Speaker, Fiji has ratified the UN Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, and Fiji Police has actively participated and contributed to the submissions towards the country report. The Fijian delegation to the 69th session Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women was headed by the Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, the Honourable Mereseini Wuniwanga, and her team. Similarly, Madam Speaker, Fiji Police Force is a member of the Women and Law Task Force under the chairperson of the Ministry of Women and has been actively participating in this centrally coordinated forum. Furthermore, Madam Speaker, the Fiji Police Force co-chairs the National Committee on the Elimination of Violence Against Women, and in this regard, the Fiji Police Force provides policy advice, information in terms of awareness and advocacy towards building a national framework. Data and gender-based violence, CBV, and the elimination of violence against women is sourced from the Fiji Police Statistics Unit. Madam Speaker, in the organizational front, the Fiji Police Force has a number of initiatives aligned to this agenda of concern. Fiji Police Force has corporate KPIs specifically targeted to women and child-related crimes, and these are reducing violence against women by 10%, reducing violence against children by 10%. There exists, Madam Speaker, a memorandum of understanding, MOU or MOU, with the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation to tackle the issue of violence against women and children. Also, Madam Speaker, like the Fiji Police Force has a mutual understanding and a working relation with a number of agencies, both government and civil society organizations on the agenda. This includes UN Women, UNICEF, FWCC, FWRM, and MSP, Madam Speaker. Other internal strategies and initiatives include the Ndwabata concept, implementation through village and school visitations, awareness in Tikina meetings, victim support, and etc. Advocating the community policing approach through the 5 pillars, Madam Speaker: sports, music, religion, Vanua, and youth. Also, Madam Speaker, the strengthening the participation of women through police wives, mothers clubs, and the Fiji Police Women's Network. Also, Madam Speaker, in the increase in media awareness. For example, Crime Stoppers, talk back shows, brochures, newspaper publications, and media releases. Also, the strengthening of investigation capabilities. Smart visibility patrols on hotspots, red zones, attending workshops and training organized by FWCC in partnership with UNDP or other relevant organizations on ending violence against women and children. Also, Madam Speaker, stringent execution of the no-drop policy and zero tolerance, enforcement of domestic violence restraining order, DVRO, and also in partnership with the social welfare in the Loloma project, the child begging labor. Also, Madam Speaker, Fiji Police has empowered the Sexual Offences Unit and Juvenile Bureau to streamline women and child-related GVB investigations through dedicated and well-trained women officers. Thank you, Madam Speaker.